Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Time Brew. Today I'm making Red Rye IPA for the second time ever, and it's been a couple of years, but last time I made this, I went in thinking, why am I making Red Rye IPA? And I only made a small batch, and then the batch was all gone, and I ended up thinking, who knew I needed Red Rye IPA in my life? But anyway, what am I doing here? I've got my water, and this is the malt. It is 81.6% ale, 11.4% rye, 4.3% medium crystal, and 2.8% carafa number 2. You might have seen that I took a little bit of water out at the start because there's a bit more, extra kilo of grains than usual just to get the og up. I'm aiming for an og of 53s, and this is going to mash for an hour, and I think I've aimed at the lower end of the scale to try and... Oh, I can't remember. I wasn't paying attention. Anyway, 1 hour passes, the lid comes off, and the grain bag gets hoisted out of the air. And... wait, there we go. Yep, and I'm holding the corner of it there. And there's my broken strainer thing. Clippy time. Good. Now, outie time. And then dialy time. And kettle time. Oh, kettle time. What am I saying? Who cares? Anyway, so lots of stuff happening here. So I've given it a rinse, get the extra bit, and I guess I added the extra water back in as well. I'm using Magnum to bitter, am I? There's no Magnum. Yes, there it is. I needed 2 bits of Magnum because one of them was running out. So 2 lots of Magnum to get it up to 53, no, that's a lie, 52 IBUs. Then I've got 1.1 grams a litre of Amarillo, and is that more Amarillo going somewhere else? So that's for, no, hang on, half a gram of Amarillo 5 minutes before the end, 1.1 grams of Amarillo 5 minutes after the end, and then a combination of Nelson and Mandarina Bavaria, half a gram a litre each of those for flame out. So that was my 15-minute Wellflock and Nutrient edition. That is my 5 minutes to go, half a litre Amarillo. This is my flame out, 1 gram a litre of Nelson and Mandarina Bavaria as I start to get the cube clean. And now it's whirlpool time, so this must be 5 minutes after flame out, and I'm going to add another 1.1 grams per litre of Amarillo, and in she goes. Alright, that's all the complicated stuff out of the way. Now I guess I just play the waiting game and watch the stopwatch. So its temperature's gone down a bit. Hey, this is looking nice and red. Have a look at that. Well, there we go, in the sunlight. Yes. What do you think, Max? You're a red Doberman. He agrees that it is red. And here's the stuff going up while everybody runs around and does things, tipping the last bit into the cube. And lately I've been really stingy with this and tried to get every last drop. So here I take the hose almost all the way out, and then Max wants me to throw his ball. He's really good at dropping the ball right where I am if he wants to play. Okay, now I tip a little bit more into the hose and then sort of tip the hose to get it down into the cube to fill it right to the brim. And I've got that little wooden block tilted at an angle to getting the air out the handle there. A little bit of a squeeze and the thing goes on. And yep. Now, actually, as it turns out, I forgot to record the thumbs for this video. I guess I was expecting to video me pitching the yeast and dry hopping, but we've just got waving today. So thanks for watching the video. That's all done. Sorry it's a bit short. Bye.